In this video, I'll show you how to download Roblox Studio on laptop and PC. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. And this is going to basically be a basic full step-by-step tutorial, so ensure you watch through what I'm going to do now. So I am not in the normal roblox.com site, right? That is their official website. I am in the Roblox Studio, and what you need to do once you have head over to the Roblox Studio, you're going to see this, right? Get started. Watch it. So you're going to click on this, right? Get Roblox Studio. Once you click on it, it's going to automatically download. And if you look right here, I just downloaded it, right? So I think I'm going to open it. Let me see how it goes. So yeah, so it's currently loading. Right now you can see this has opened up. You can see installing Roblox Studio. So I'm gonna wait for, I think, very few minutes, because this is gonna basically like load up, right? So you can see it's currently loading. So I'll wait for it. And here you can see our Roblox is, I think, almost filled now, almost 100%. So I'm gonna wait for it to complete, and we're gonna see what we got right here. So this is it. So it's currently loading up. So wait for it. I think a few minutes, 2 or 3 minutes, it should be done, or even a minute.